Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes. All right, this is Burgh unboxing. I have another one to do later, and I've already opened the bag. I'm going to get out of here so I get the bus. So this is a new item, and I thank the person who sent it to me. This is, I think, very cool, and it's very pretty. And it is paranormal. And it is very kind of satiny. It feels like it's probably polyester, but there it is. And I'm all sweaty because it's really hot. So there's the new shirt for the channel. And there's the front. And it's the same on the back. So I'll be wearing this. I wish I had this at UFO Con. It would have been perfect for the abductee panels if I'd gone there, if I'd been so damn tired. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and yes, I'm rubbing my eye. That's because the pollen count is really high. I washed my face and took a shower and washed my hands and washed my face again. I'm all sweaty. I'm going to do it a third time. So don't give me any crap about it. I also have dry eyes, so that doesn't help matters any. And I have to put this stuff in my eyes. So I'm going to do that right now. And then go, what? If I can get the stupid bottle open. Oh, there we go. All right. And I will be going live on Tuesday if Jay Wellington Wimpy doesn't show up and ask for hamburgers. Oh, God. All right. That feels better. And I definitely need Allegra. I may go up to Walmart and get some Allegra. All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. Stay safe, and I will catch you next time. I'm going to go to Walmart tomorrow and see what they've got in Walmart, pick some stuff up, and now this stuff's running all my face. Bye-bye for now. Have a great evening.